Hey all, got a quick one for you here in Demonologist with how to switch through your hotkey/tools upon picking them up for the first time in game. Let's dive in, shall we? First off, once you're in the match lobby, pick up 3 tools of any kind. Now you can cycle through these one of 2 ways. Number 1, use your first 3 number keys on your keypad. Number 2, use your mouse wheel to cycle through your 3 hotkeys. Now that you know how to cycle through your hotkeys, what are hotkeys though? Hotkeys are slots that can be reassigned or fixed. To look at your adjustable hotkeys, head over to your settings under controls. I hope this was helpful to anyone and everyone that just started out as a demonologist. The missus and I had the hardest time figuring this one out when we first started out. Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more Demonologist educational content and gameplay. Likewise, check out the channel for other games like the community immersive roleplay server, the Dakota River Bend on the Red M platform, and much more to come. Happy Halloween and have a spooky season.